Water inlet, water overflow, water outlet. Water inlet connects with water supply pipe. Electrical control box. Connect supply power. Turn on the control switch QF2 and QF1. Press the on button to start the machine. The running indicator blinks first and then turns on. Ice machine running. High and low pressure value change. Water sprinkling pipes and ice scraper rotating direction. Ice falling about 2 minutes later, an ice bin can be equipped. Press the off button to stop the machine. The running indicator blinks first and then goes off. Turn off the control switch QF1 and QF2 if the machine will not running for a long time.